In mid-2012, Consolidated Pipe Carriers took delivery of two special purpose vessels, or SPVs. The first, CPC Angelica, arrived in Kuantan, Malaysia for her maiden project to stow, transport, and deliver 4,300 ton of concrete-coated pipe to offshore Vietnam, 350 nautical miles to the northeast in the South China Sea. With an overall length of 93 meters and a molded breadth of 25.5 meters, the SPVs are specifically designed for pulling alongside offshore construction vessels with particular application to pipe lay barges. The pipe is to be delivered to the pipe lay barge Sapura 3000, 160 nautical miles off the coast of Vung Tau, Vietnam, in the Lando Oil Field. Throughout loading, vessel drafts are checked by the chief officer to ensure trim and weight distribution is in line with the predicted calculations. The stowage plan on board CPC Angelica allows Sapura 3000 to receive different pipe types in sequence according to the pipe laying plan offshore. With a deck loading capacity of 15 ton per square meter and a 1,750 meter square clear deck area, the deck of the SPV is designed to stow 5 bays of pipe up to the maximum dead weight of 7,942 tons, or a maximum draft of 6.2 meters. Loading and lashing complete, the master does a final check of the drafts before the pilot is on board and the vessel is cast off en route to the Lando Oil Field. Note, no port tugboats are required since CPC Angelica is maneuvering using her own thrusters. With accommodation for 24 personnel in single berth cabins, the SPVs have been designed to accommodate the vessel's crew, client representative, and sufficient riggers to maintain a 24-hour offshore operation up to 35 days without replenishment. This mitigates the need for inherently risky boat-to-boat personnel transfers, including transfers via man basket. Powered by two Yanmar 3,500 horsepower engines with azimuth rotating stern drive thrusters and assisted by two bow thrusters, the SPVs have the ability to achieve 11 knots steaming and maintain dynamic positioning alongside a lay barge when discharging. Once within the 500-meter exclusion zone of Sapura 3000, the master on board CPC Angelica mans the dynamic positioning station and commences maneuvering alongside at all times, remaining in contact with the deck crew and the berthing master on board Sapura 3000. The SPVs can remain on station alongside the lay barge for discharge using dynamic positioning during pipe lay operations. Lashing is removed in preparation for the lifting operation during docking as the master of CPC Angelica eases her alongside the pipe lay barge. Once alongside, the order to commence discharging is given by the operations superintendent on board the pipe lay barge. CPC's offshore superintendent takes charge of the operation on the deck of the SPV. With riggers on board both Sapura 3000 and CPC Angelica on standby, the transfer of pipe can commence immediately. On board Sapura 3000, the crane operator has clear, unobstructed sight of the entire deck area of CPC Angelica and sufficient reach to take advantage of the 25-meter beam of CPC Angelica. The crane can feed the pipe joints directly into the firing line on board, as well as stow the pipe into the temporary storage pipe racks on board Sapura 3000. When compared with traditional methods of dumb barges that require assist tugs, personnel transfers, and increasing the number of project spreads to maintain the supply chain, CPC's SPVs have revolutionized offshore pipe delivery by minimizing risk, increasing safety and efficiency offshore while decreasing the transit times. Sapura 3000 continues laying pipe in 160 meters of water uninterrupted. Operation complete, CPC Angelica departs Vietnam en route to the next project.